Before decided Bahrain only. No, they are planning for the Vietnam.
What gift you want from Papa?
Papa will bring ugly doll only.
No, Papa will.
This time I will send you the photo before I buy.
Before buying, he will send picture to you. May suot ka ng panty?
Wala.
Bakit? Ito, bago, oh. Oh my God, I have my new panty, guys.
Hi, this is my mother blog, Mr. Cardi.
Mrs. Ganda ng helmet ko na, guys. Hindi kasi ako bumibili ng helmet, kaya ang mama ko na ang bumili. Binalan niya ako ng helmet. Ang ganda. Sobrang sakto lang sa mukha ko. So, pumunta kami dito sa Om Collection. Ang trabaho ko dito, guys, taga-desisyon kung maganda ba yung napili niya o hindi. Ito yung ganito, mabibili mo sa mall ng mga 1,500. Pero dito, ayan, 500 lang siya. Mura lang kasi dito, guys, eh. Ganda na itong jacket, guys, oh. Ang ganda. Lamig kasi ngayon dito, eh. Ang ganda, oh. So, ito, guys, 400 lang siya. 399 ba? Dati siyang, ito yung presyo, 1,700. Gusto ko siya, guys, kasi pag magsusundo ako sa mga anak ko or maghahatid, natatanggal pa to, oh. Galing. So, dito naman kami pumunta. Ang ganda naman dito. Ito yung mga gusto kong panty, yung sakop yung ano mo, chan. Maganda kaya to? Kaya lang parang maghihimul-mul to, eh. Ang magandang klase talaga ng panty, guys. Sew-in, no? Wala kasing sew-in dito, no? Pero mga Indiano naman ang mga nagtitinda, pero wala dito. Bibilan ko din si mama ng panty ko. Oh, this one is nice. No? For me, no? Yeah, this is nice. I think my one is medium also. Nice. Nice, this.
Okay, go.
XL. Can I check? So I will be...
Check it.
It's nice, huh? See? Oh my God! I have my new panty, guys!
Keep.
Can you say congratulations?
Congratulations. Don't say all these things.
So, ito yung sa akin, guys. Ito yung kay mama. Naku, magiging masaya nito si mama. May panty siyang bago. Matagal-tagal na rin ako hindi nakakapag-mall ng totoo, guys. Uy, ang ganda nito, oh. Tingnan nyo, guys. Parehas ng jacket na nabili ko doon sa Om Collection. Magkano siya? 2,700. Mahal.
Should tell your viewers, it is more nice than chicken.
Yeah. Dahil na.
This gobi is vegetable, but it is more nice than chicken. The feeling is chicken only.
Yeah.
No, this is the last gobi.
Huh?
This is the last gobi.
Huh?
This is the last gobi. It is a 2% kin they have given. It's not available.
Nice.
It's so lucky.
Pag lumalabas kami ng mister ko, lagi talaga namin ito naaalala. Pag dalawa kami magkasama, na gusto namin dumaan dito. Ma, may pasalubong ako sa'yo.
Gobe, bukas ko na kainin.
May suot ka ng panty?
Wala.
Bakit? Ito, bago, oh.
Maganda.
Ito na
panty. Thank you.
Tingnan mo nga.
Siya, ano ba? Disturbo naman to. Baka naman maloob to. Ay, ang ganda. I like this. Masukat niya. Maganda yung ganitong panty.
Ha?
Tapon ko na nga yung panty kong naluwag. Tapos
Ganda
yung
na.
panty mo, tapon mo na rin, bili tayo pag sweldo ko.
Hindi, bumili din ako.
Ah, maganda rin.
Oo. Naalala lang kita, wala kang panty, kaya binilan din kita. Si Nitin umiiyak sa daan eh. Bakit? Siyempre, yung papa niya nasa hospital, naalala niya yung nakaraan niya. Tapos huminto. Sabi niya, naalala ko yung tatay ko, yung magagandang ginawa niya sa akin. Ganon yun, Sian. Ibig sabihin nun, may respeto siya sa tatay niya.
Ganda, thank you.
Binili ko XL sa akin, sa'yo lunch. Are you excited to go Thailand again? Why Thailand again? Why like that? You can go other country, no? Like Philippines, you're pre-visa now. I said, you answer me first. Why Thailand again? Why not other country like Philippines, Malaysia?
Before it's decided Bahrain only.
What happened? Why it changed the destination?
Because of the war. No, they are planning for the Vietnam.
Vietnam.
But they not get this one.
Yeah.
Hotel booking.
In the Thailand, you're going same place or?
No.
So, what you can say about Thailand?
Why you're taking video?
Which place you will go?
Pattaya.
Huh?
Pattaya. One island is there.
Uh-huh.
The name of the island. I share you know that the details.
Hello, in the Pattaya Island. So, most of foreigner are wearing only bra and panty. I want to know your reaction in front of your eyes. You will see like that.
I will go like this.
Without blinking?
What will happen if I see?
No, I'm just asking because I'm not a boy.
What
You're
will
a boy.
get?
Huh?
After seeing backside, what you will get?
Maybe it will be like this. Ting!
Should not tell me.
What is your feeling if you see like that?
Nothing, no feeling.
Impossible. Yeah, your mission impossible. What you
Bag is
feel? Tell me dear, the real deal.
Actually, I want this bag. Nice. Last time you give one like this bag, you remember?
Yeah, this one and I think so.
Nice, huh? On time I get this bag. Very nice.
Okay, tell me the truth dear. What is the feeling as an Indian to see like only bra and panty?
No feelings. Never get moved like that. Yeah. You know about me.
Okay.
You don't know the boy's feeling.
That's what I'm asking.
That's what I'm telling.
What? Tell me. I'm not getting your real answer. That's why I'm keeping asking.
You know the boys, they don't like open.
What?
You're like the open you're telling na,
Yeah.
fully showing and like that. This is boys don't like.
Why?
This is the boys' feelings. You're asking me boys' feelings. They don't like that.
Impossible. Some others like that.
I don't know.
Maybe you only. Or you're telling in front of me only. Dear! Are you excited to go Thailand?
No interested.
Again?
No interest. See, you already see the this one Thailand. So it's like again and again same thing.
It's different place, no?
Different place, but
Same.
Thailand is Thailand only, na?
Yeah.
Can you help me?
Papa will go Thailand. What gift you want from Papa? Mitang, what you want first?
A baby doll with a bottle
With the bottle. How about you, Sandy?
and a feeder and a ball and for feeding baby.
Okay, how about you? How about you? Last time Papa bring the chocolate, no? The auto chocolate. Like that. Okay. What you want? Chocolate? What you want? Tell na. You want dal? You want dal?
I don't know what to say. Papa will bring ugly doll only.
No, Papa will.
Sammy said she wants cute doll.
You want pretty dal?
This time I will send you the photo before I buy.
See, Papa said, before buying, he will send picture to you. Is that okay?
Papa will bring the ugly one.
Huh?
Papa will bring the ugly one. But I like that also.
Papa will bring ugly one. Okay.
Mama,
I will send you the photo.
I want a nice baby.
Ate Sian, anong gusto mong pasalubong galing Thailand?
Sketchbook.
At saka,
Color pencils na madami.
anong gusto mong pasalubong galing Thailand?
T-shirt ko.
Anong t-shirt?
Itim.
Tapos, may nakalagay na?
Thailand.
Basta kulay itim.
Yes.
Anong size?
Isukat niya sa katawan niya. Kasya yun sa akin basta stretchable.
Ah, ganon? Okay.
Ayoko nang malaki masyado.
Sige.
Katulad lang ng t-shirt ko nung Hawaii.
Ang gusto ko naman guys, yung bag na Gently Woman na medyo malaki. Tapos gusto ko yung durian na chocolate, dark chocolate, at saka durian chips. Tapos Vicks, at saka yung inhaler doon sa Thailand. Mabango kasi yon kaya gusto ko. You make a vlog, dear. So you can show to us also. No, nice.
I want to stitch my shoe and polish.
How about your swimming dress?
Swimming dress I carry. Everyone has already written also. You should carry swimming dress.
Yeah. And don't forget to pray. Okay? Before the take off, you should pray. So your handkerchief, your belt is here, okay? Yes. Sabi you also go to work?
It's nice idea, na?
Yeah. Alam niyo itong tsinelas na to guys, sobrang tagal na nito. Ako yung bumili nito sa kanya kasi ayaw niyang bumili ng mamahalin. Ewan ko anong brand ng sapatos. Hush Puppies. Sobrang tagal na nito. Ito din, ako rin ang bumili nito. Ayaw niya ng mga mamahaling gamit. Kaya ako yung bumibili para sa kanya. Para mapil niya na mas magandang gamitin ang branded na gamit. Kesa yung mumurahin lang. Kasi yung mumurahin, madaling masira. Si Sandy guys, may field trip siya bukas. Are you excited, anak? You pray there, okay? Tapos, ito naman guys, pinagawa niya ngayon. Pinatahi niya yung gilid ba? Ayan Kasi bumuka na siya. Tinatawaran ni Nitin yung nagtatahi ng sapatos. Sabi niya, naku sir, hindi ako magpapatawad sa inyo kasi purong leather daw itong sapatos ng mister ko at mahirap tahiin. Itong sapatos nga na ito ay nabili namin sa Marikina nung umuwi kami. Hanggang ngayon, gamit-gamit niya pa rin and pinapagawa niya lang kapag merong masisira. Bye! Take care, ha?
Take care. Love you so much.
Take care.